Hey explorers, welcome to Robovation Studio. Today we're diving into Arduino, the beginner-friendly microcontroller that powers all kinds of cool projects, from blinking LEDs to complex robots. I'll show you how to set it up, install the software, and get your first project running in just a few steps. If you're ready to start creating with Arduino, let's jump in.
Today, we're going to answer a fundamental question. What is Arduino? Let's dive in. Arduino is an open-source platform used for building electronics projects. Arduino consists of both a physical programmable circuit board and a piece of software, or IDE, that runs on your computer. Used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. The Arduino platform has become quite popular with people just starting out with electronics, and for good reason. Unlike most previous programmable circuit boards, the Arduino does not need a separate piece of hardware in order to load new code onto the board. You can simply use a USB cable. Additionally, the Arduino IDE uses a simplified version of C++, making it easier to learn to program. Finally, Arduino provides a standard form factor that breaks out the functions of the microcontroller into a more accessible package.
Alright explorers, take a look. This video alone has over 1,000 views. That's amazing. But here's the catch. Most of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. Imagine what we could create together if everyone who watched hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe, you'll get exclusive project ideas, handy robotics tips, and sneak peeks at what's coming next. Plus, I've set up a simple website just for my explorers, where I'll be uploading code, video tutorials, and a treasure trove of helpful resources. It's all there for you. Just check the first link in the description. So if you're ready to join this journey and make the most of it, hit that subscribe button. And let's keep exploring and building amazing things together.
Let's talk about some features of Arduino. Microcontroller. This is the brain of the board. The most common one is the 8MEGA328 on the Arduino Uno. Digital and analog pins. These are used to connect components. Digital pins can be used for reading or writing digital signals, while analog pins read varying voltage levels. Power supply. You can power the board using a USB connection or an external power source like a battery. USB interface. This is used to upload your code from the computer to the board. Other components. Depending on the board, there may be additional components like voltage regulators, reset buttons, and communication interfaces. Different Arduino models offer varying features. Arduino Uno, great for beginners, with 14 digital I/O pins, 6 analog inputs, and a USB connection. Arduino Mega offers more I/O pins, making it ideal for larger projects. Arduino Nano, a compact version suitable for breadboards and small-scale projects. Set up your Arduino board and make a simple LED blink. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Arduino IDE. It's the software that lets us write and upload code to our Arduino board. Official website. Download the installer according to your computer and need. I install for my Windows 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Arduino IDE.
A few moments later.
Necessary board libraries installed. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools Boards Manager. In the Boards Manager window, type Arduino AVR boards in the search bar and click Install. This will install the necessary libraries for most Arduino boards, including the Arduino Uno. Now, let's set up our Arduino board. Connect the Arduino to your computer using the USB cable. Let's write some code to make the LED blink. Open a new sketch by clicking File New. The code is in description. Upload the code to the Arduino. Click the Upload button, it's the right arrow icon. You should see the uploading message in the status bar. Once the upload is complete, the LED connected to pin 13 should start blinking on and off. This tutorial. You've learned how to install the Arduino IDE, set up your Arduino board, and make an LED blink. Feel free to experiment with different pins and delay values. In our next video, we'll explore controlling a servo motor with Arduino. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Rob Ovation Studio for more awesome projects.